my name is Sylvain, Senior Technician and Trainer over at Confection de Boca. Today, we will see how to properly maintain and refill your Total One machine. To do so, you'll need the following tools: pair of scissors, paintbrush, door key and a bean hopper key, some clean towels, an empty mug to collect all the water that's going to come out from your machine, products, and a filter paper roll. Use the hopper key to unlock and remove the cover, then fill up the bean hopper. Once done, put the cover back in place and lock it. To refill the soluble canisters, open the door of the unit, remove the splash guard, and pull the top cover out. You can then refill all soluble canisters by pulling them out of the machine by sliding the canister upward. And refilling them on the countertop to prevent any spill inside the machine. Replacing the filter paper roll. Cut the filter paper roll before the brewing assembly. Go into the service mode, hitting the white switch on the board. On the service menu, push the filter paper install button and follow the instructions on the screen. Pull the yoke assembly upward slightly. Feed the filter paper down into the waste bin. Remove the empty filter paper roll. You can brush any excess of coffee grounds on top of the brewer mug. Pass the filter paper under the left guide bracket of the brew group. Under the brew chamber and under the wheel guides. By gently lifting them using the yoke. Feed the paper into the waste bin. You must feed the paper at least 6 to 8 inches down inside the waste bin. Follow the instructions on the screen to confirm that you've replaced the filter paper, and depending if you installed a new roll or used roll, answer yes or no. Once you're done, exit the service mode. Emptying the waste bin. Cut the filter paper at least 6 to 8 inches away from the yoke assembly and then pull the waste bin out. Dump the content into a trash can. Now it's a good time to brush and clean the inside of your machine. Once done, slide the canisters back in place through the top opening. Make sure that each canister is seated properly using the alignment pin under the canisters. Repeat these steps for each canister. Turn the soluble elbows down. Put the top hood back in place. Reinstall the waste bin. You can also reset the waste bin cap. First, go on to the service mode by pushing the white switch on the main board. Press the reset waste bin button and answer the questions on screen. And exit service mode. Clean the splash guard under hot water. Brush off any residues. If needed, use a soft soap. Once the cleaning has been done, let air dry completely. Once cleaning is done, reinstall the splash guard inside the machine. Remove the drip tray from the two hooks. Clean the dirt train grill under hot water. You can use a soft soap and brush off any residues. Once the cleaning has been done, let the parts air dry. Once the parts are dry, put the drip train grill back together and reinstall on the machine. Clean the outside of the machine and make sure its surroundings area is clean and tidy. Now that the maintenance have been done, it's now time to run a rinse cycle. First, go on to the service mode by pushing the white switch on the main board. Place the cup under the spout and hit the rinse button on the screen. Follow the instructions on the screen. Once the rinse has been completed, hit close on the screen and you'll notice that the rinse counter is back to 0 and exit service mode. Once the rinse has been done, dump the content of the cup into a sink. Do not drink the liquid. You are now done with the daily cleaning actions to perform on your machine. Here are the cleaning procedures to perform on a weekly basis. Remove the splash guard and pull the top cover out. Turn the soluble elbows up and slide each canister out one by one through the top or the front of the machine. Cut the filter paper at least 6 to 8 inches away from the yoke assembly and then pull the waste bin out. Empty the waste bin into a trash can and wash it using hot water, and if need be you can use a soft soap. Use a soft brush to clean up any residues inside. Let the waste bin air dry. Now you can remove the elbows of the canisters, one at a time, and you need to wash them under hot water. Repeat these steps for each canister. After the cleaning has been done, let the parts air dry. Make sure to let the elbows air dry completely before reinstalling them on the canisters. Once refilled, slide the canister back in place through the top opening. Make sure that the canister is seated properly using the alignment pin underneath the soluble canister. Repeat these steps for each canister. Turn the soluble elbows down. Put the top hood back in place. Once the waste bin is dry, put it back inside the machine. Do not forget to reset the waste bin counter. You can also reset the waste bin count. First, go on to the service mode by pushing the white switch on the main board. Confirm. And exit service post. Reinstall the splash guard. On a weekly basis, inspect all the whipper bowls, canisters, and hoppers. If you find any obstructions, parts that might be broken or not working properly, contact your service provider. Lock the door.